Á dögunum voru hér stödd svissnesk hjón sem hafa siglt heimsins höf síðustu 20 ár. Þau eiga 6 börn og börnin hafa fæðst víða heim. Eitt þeirra hér á Akureyri. Þau komu til Akureyrar nú til að þakka Akureyringum fyrir það sem þeir gerðu fyrir þau á sínum tíma þegar skútan var nánast ónýt og þau dvöldu hér í 2 ár og meira að segja fæddist eitt barnanna hér. Nú hafa þau siglt af stað einu sinni enn og ætla að rannsaka heimsins höf. Ég ræddi við þessi hjón og þau sögðu mig frá lífinu borð.
We are back in Akureyri. We love Akureyri, we missed Akureyri. And the reason was that we were so close. We were in East Greenland and Jan Mayen. And we thought, we have to go to Akureyri and really after now 4 years, finally tell everybody in Akureyri thank you for the super support they gave us to get our home we are living on now since 21 years, Pachamama, our sailboat, back floating again, thanks to Slipperin and a lot of people, like also the Arctic Museum of Agrimur, where we always could eat, and we were staying, I think, with about 10 different families and people when we needed accommodation, when the boat was in repairs in Slipperin. So we have seen 100 countries, but I think what we got in Akureyri, this hospitality was outstanding. That was so incredible. And it was a drama for the whole family to see this boat dying in this storm in November 2017 in Akureyri Harbor near Höf. But then what happened afterwards, with all this help and support and love we received from all the people in Akureyri, we had to come back. And we really appreciate that we have the opportunity now to say really thank you to all. We actually like to make a big party and to make thank you, but the problem is COVID, and so it's really great that we have the opportunity to say thank you to all. So it really comes from our heart. Yeah. So our sailboat is powered by solar panels and wind generators. So normally when the weather is bad like today, we have wind and then we have the electricity from the wind generators, and when it's a sunny day that's maybe less wind, we have it from solar.
And when I was about 8 months pregnant, we were looking a place to give birth, and in Greenland it was not possible, so we sailed to Iceland and supposed to give birth in Reykjavik, but then we went on a cycling tour, and when we were arriving in Akureyri, we knew we will have our last child in Akureyri, and that's how we stayed for so long, because we really fell in love with the city and with the people here. And yeah, it's so nice. In 2 weeks, 4 years ago, Vital was born here in Akureyri, and it was such an amazing experience and a wonderful hospital, and was my best delivery so far. We got the rhubarb from a friend here in Akureyri, from his garden. So that's something I really miss on the boat. Of course, we have only a little garden where we have some herbs, but not really the garden.
Hvernig þekkir þú þessi ágætu hjón?
Já, þau komu hérna fyrir 4 árum síðan cirka og eru hérna með vísindamenn rannsaka umhverfið og hrjóin og loftslagið hérna milli Íslands og Grænlands. Þau komu hérna inn og lentu hér í vandamálum. Þau voru með skútuna hér og hana rak á land og brotnaði. Þetta var svona fyrir vandamála gangur á þeim. Og ég hef tengst svolítið norðurslóðum. Auðvitað átti ég norðurslóðasafnið þarna niður frá og síðan heimskutaréttarstofnunin. En þau sem þetta mér var, ég gat allavega hjálpað þeim.